Just stop throwing.
Okay, I'm done, man.
Calm down.
I'm done. Please don't put me in jail. Please.
What's up, everybody? In today's episode, we're covering the arrest of yet another entitled individual, this time identified as a Karen. This incident took place at a hospital where she was initially caught trespassing. Despite being asked to leave, she defiantly re-entered the premises through a different entrance, leading to her arrest. However, that's when the situation escalated dramatically. She exhibited an extreme temper tantrum. Without further delay, let's dive into the details.
No, I'm not doing anything.
We were just in the front lobby.
I'm not doing anything. No, please.
Stop, come on.
Please don't. Please don't.
Stop.
Please don't.
Stop.
No, please don't.
Stop.
No.
Just stop.
Please don't.
Let it go. Let it go.
Please don't.
Stop.
What am I doing?
Hands behind your back.
No.
Just hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Don't make this harder than it has to be.
I just told you that you were going to leave, and you walked
I did.
You walked into the front.
What am I doing? I'm walking.
Stop fighting us.
Stop fighting.
Not going to win. Thank you.
Bro. I didn't do anything.
You did. You walked in the front lobby.
No, I didn't
Security
mean
told us
to.
did.
I was just looking for my boyfriend. Like.
No, they told you you're not allowed to
Okay,
be
well,
around
I didn't know.
Yes, you did know.
I didn't know.
Stop. Stop.
Where are you going?
Stop.
You're in handcuffs.
I need to stop.
Where are you trying to go?
Can you stop?
Bro, you broke my purse?
No, I didn't. I untouched it.
Dude, I'm not. Dude, I'm gonna sit in jail for how many days?
I don't know.
I'm not doing this.
You don't have a choice.
No. Can we talk about it? Can we talk about it?
54377.
Come on. Go.
Can we talk about it?
There's no
please?
talking about it. Get in the car. Give me your... Stop. Give me your vape.
No!
You're not going anywhere. I don't know why you're gonna try. You're just gonna make it worse on yourself.
Please! I'm walking to McDonald's!
Okay.
My mom's gonna pick me up! Like, please! Like, I'm begging you! I'm begging you! I don't have a bond! Like, I'm not going to jail! Please! No! Please!
Get in the car.
Please!
Get in the car.
Please!
Get in the car. If you don't get in the car, you're gonna have another charge. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Please! Please!
Get in the car.
Please!
Get in the car.
Please! No! I don't need to be arrested. Sir!
You're going to jail.
Can you hear me?
You're going to jail.
Come on.
What do you mean I'm going to jail?
Get up in the car.
I'm not going to jail.
That remark will definitely not stand the test of time, as she is undoubtedly heading to prison. Also, let's discuss her voice for a second. It's incredibly whiny and high-pitched, more so than any I've encountered before. To put it in perspective, even my 4-year-old doesn't reach that level of whininess during a tantrum.
Just stop throwing.
Shut your door.
Hey, can you get my hobble to the back?
Ow! Ow!
Stop fighting.
Ow!
Go ahead.
Dude,
Should be in my
stop!
should be in my top of my bag, like on the left, like the I have that goes over. Look to the left, right, yeah, right in there. Sorry.
I didn't do anything. I literally didn't do anything.
That should be it right there.
What? Dude,
Yeah.
you're arresting me just because... What?
Here, I'll switch. Sit her up. She won't sit up.
Ow!
Sit up.
Can you act like an adult instead of acting like a child? You're going to jail. It's already done and over.
No, I'm not going to
jail.
jail.
You are. It's already
No,
done
I'm
and
not
over.
going to jail.
We gave you, Alyssa, we gave you plenty of chances. You already went to jail.
Okay, well, so I'm I'm done. No, I'm done. I'm done.
You're gonna make yourself catch another charge.
I'm done.
Calm down.
I'm done.
Calm down.
I'm done.
Calm
And
down.
I'm done. Please, please let me go.
You have to
Please
calm
let
down.
me go. Please let me go.
No.
Please let me go.
You have to
Please
calm
let me
down.
go.
No.
Please let me go.
No.
Please, I don't even know your name, but okay, so obviously.
You've had way too much to drink, and now you're acting a fool. So stop.
I know. Obviously, I've had way too much to drink, but I don't know your name. Someone call you Steve. Steve. I really didn't mean all this. I will walk to McDonald's by myself.
No.
Please. Why are you putting?
Because you keep kicking, so that's why you're getting hobbled. Alyssa, you're gonna make yourself catch another charge, I'm telling you, and then you're really gonna be in there for a while.
No, dude, I'm not going to. Please, don't put me in jail. Please, 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 please. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Ow!
I sincerely empathize with anyone who had headphones on during that moment. Your ears must have suffered from what can only be described as an authentic banshee wail. For those unfamiliar, the banshee hails from Celtic mythology, long believed to be mere folklore. However, with the advent of body cameras, it became evident that banshees have been living among us all along.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I was just walking! What the f?
Empty this all on the ground, but I can't have to.
Yeah.
Okay, so clothes can go.
Yeah.
This can go as medication and...
Alright, 197, we should be good. Just want to get them flipped around.
Oh, great.
Who's that?
The dude that's in here, I'm assuming.
What's his name?
Bring that back out. I'll bring that back up to me. This is all alcohol, so this is not going to go with here.
Right. You said you're taking that up to him?
Come on. Come on. Dude, please just let me go. Please. Yeah. Let me go. Please, just let me go. Please. No.
You had your option for that.
No. I will. I'll stay away from this place. I promise. Please just let me go. You guys don't even know what jail's about.
I do. I take people there all the time.
Actually, yeah, you take people there, but you don't know what it's about. It fucking sucks.
How old are you?
I'm only 23. I really want to get out. Please. My birthday's about to come up. Please. I will run away from this place. Please.
Trespassing too?
What?
No, well, you told her to leave and she came back.
No!
So just resisting in DCI?
What? Okay, let me the f out of this car. Let me out, please. Drive me to McDonald's.
188-377.
No.
I'll be transporting that female to county starting.
No! Bro, I can't go. You don't realize I can't go to jail! I can't go to jail! You guys have never been in jail! It sucks! It really does suck! And I'm sorry, obviously. I'm really sorry. Who the f is this? Yeah, who the f are you? Wanna be cop? Please don't! I'm gonna run off. I'm gonna get disorderly conduct or whatever it's called. I'm not going to jail. Come on, please forgive me.
This woman's behavior is incomprehensible. Does she truly believe that after uttering please for the 80th time, the officer will suddenly change their stance? As if the 79 prior pleas left them unmoved, but the 80th attempt will miraculously persuade them to remove the handcuffs and overlook the entire incident. What could possibly be going through her mind?
Please forgive me. All I did was walk in the front because I had no idea. I thought I was...
You're told to leave the property.
I thought I was... Okay, well, I didn't hear that. You said to leave the room. You did not see the property. Okay, so please turn right. It's like please drop me off. Please. Please, I won't do it again. I promise. Dude, I can't go to jail. Who's gonna get me out? I have nobody in my life. I have nobody in my life. I don't have a mom. I don't have a dad. Like, I don't have anybody to bail me out. Please. No, I know that you want the quota. But like, come on, dude. Come on.
Quotas don't exist. Your boyfriend should know that.
What do you mean quotas don't exist? Yeah, they do. You want quota to bring my ass to jail when I don't deserve to. I really don't. Like, I really don't. Please turn around. Please turn around. Please turn around. I won't step foot in the hospital. Please.
I know, because you're going to be in county for the night.
What?
I said, I know you won't, because you'll be at the county for the night.
For the night? Be there for days. I don't mean to call you, but sir, you're actually under arrest. Please, you don't even know how jail is. I'm a white Puerto Rican girl, so it's awful because they assume that I'm white and I get harassed. Like, I've already done 10 days for a second DUI. Like, I'm not. Please, please. Have you ever been in jail? No, you don't. Obviously, you not. It sucks. Like, I get harassed by all the black. Bro, please don't do this to me. Please,
your bro,
no,
and you
no,
are going to jail.
No, bro.
Are you going to continue to act a fool?
Obviously, because I'm going to jail. Have you ever been in jail? Obviously not. It sucks. No, you're. And then you go home to your shitty ass, ugly ass wife.
She's a nice lady.
And then tell her I love you. Oh, you don't love her.
It seems she has now evolved from emitting wails like a banshee to possessing the ability to read minds, claiming she knows the officer doesn't hold affection for his wife. Moreover, it's worth noting that despite being only 23, she has already accumulated 2 DUI charges, and yet she finds herself inebriated and under arrest once more. It's a simple plea for common sense. Manage your drinking at home. It shouldn't be that difficult.
Oh, I do.
No, you don't. Because clearly you have no sympathy for women. Like, I have my right. Like, I didn't even do anything, actually. Just think about your wife in handcuffs. And then...
Why would I do that?
Imagine me, because I'm your wife. I'm clearly a nice girl.
You're gonna be held until you're sober.
Held until I'm sober. I am
I'm
sober.
gonna ask you again. Are you gonna create a scene? Or are you gonna act like an adult?
I'm gonna create a scene.
I have her in a hobble, so.
Okay.
What the f*** my charge?
Okay, hold up. Time out. I don't know yet. Okay.
I didn't mean to call you.
Okay.
Actually.
How about we get you out of here?
Okay, so he arrested me for no reason. I was literally walking.
Okay, well, how about we get you out and get you patted down, and then we'll tell you what your charges, okay? Because I don't know. I just got out here.
If you make things worse, you're gonna get more charges.
What are my charges?
Resisting arrest and disorderly conduct, intoxication.
Resisting arrest?
Yes. Do you want another charge?
I got in the car. Like, I'm in the car.
After we force you into the car. So we're not doing that. So you can get out and be an adult.
Arrest.
You can get out and be an adult, and we can handle this.
Can you, like, dismiss that charge?
No.
So what? So what is it?
Go ahead and step out. Step out.
You mind will resist.
Come on.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Are you gonna step out?
Yes, but f***ing shoe. I can't because there's a f***ing on my neck.
Go ahead.
So there it is, another Karen taken into custody, yet another one down. This time the charges were disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Thank you all for tuning in. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.